Namaste. I am Javian Indu from Department of Science and Technology. DST comes under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. In previous session, as I had discussed application of robotics. Today I will discuss about embedded system. Before starting the embedded system, firstly we see what is system. A system is a way of working, organizing or performing one or many tasks according to a fixed set of rules, program or plan. In other words, we can say that a system is an arrangement in which all units assemble and work together according to a plan or program. So, this is the system. A watch is a time display system. A washing machine is an automatic cloth washing system. So these are the examples of system. Now we will discuss about embedded system. An embedded system is a system that has software embedded into computer hardware, which makes a system dedicated for an application or specific part of an application or product or part of a larger system. An embedded system is one that has a dedicated purpose. Software embedded in a computer hardware. It is a dedicated computer based system for an application or product. It may be an independent system or a part of large system. Its software usually embeds into a ROM or flash. So these are the definitions of an embedded system, or we can say that it is any device that includes a programmable computer but is not itself intended to be a general purpose computer. In short, we can say that embedded systems are the electronic systems that contain a microprocessor or a microcontroller, but we do not think of them as computers because the computer is hidden or embedded in the system. Next, components. There are three main embedded components. First is embeds hardware to give computer like functionalities. Second is embeds main application software generally into flash, and the application software performs concurrently the number of tasks. Third is embeds a real-time operating system which supervises the application software tasks running on the hardware and organizes the access to system resources according to priorities and timing constraints of tasks in the system. So today we discussed about system, embedded system, and components of an embedded system. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.